Hello everybody and welcome to the Sandcat channel. So in today's video we're going to talk about the Sandcat genome. It's very interesting that they have determined the Sandcat's genome sequence. And they compare it very much to the genome of the house cat, since the Sandcat and the house cat are both in the genus Felis catus and Felis margarita. Because they're related species, and so that's why they compare the genome sequences of these two species. The house cat, Felis catus, is a well-known model organism. Its genome has been determined. We know a lot about its genome. Since cats are mammals and companions to humans, they have been studied from a medical perspective. Their genome has been sequenced and is around 2.5 gigabase pairs, or 2.5 billion DNA letters. That's what GBP means, gigabase pair, 2.5 billion DNA letters. It's also made up of 19 pairs of chromosomes. We humans, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and the human genome is about 3 billion DNA letters. The Sandcat genome exists now only in small DNA fragments called read sequences. These DNA fragments are 125 base pairs long. The small little sequences, they're very much like jigsaw puzzle pieces that can be assembled to create a whole genome sequence, just like how you have a jigsaw puzzle, big jigsaw puzzle. You have individual little pieces. These little pieces, they represent read sequences, which are 125 base pairs. These are very small, tiny pieces which you have to put together to assemble the whole entire genome sequence. And so that's the way this goes, that since we have the genome sequence of Felis catus, the house cat, we can use that as a guide to help guide or help assemble the Sandcat genome, since it's very similar to that of the house cat. So the assembled Sandcat genome, it also has 19 pairs of chromosomes, 2 sex chromosomes X and Y, and interestingly, the human chromosomes are numbered from 1 to 23, but that of the house cat and also the Sandcat, we have A1, A2, and A3, B1 to B4, C1 and C2, D1 to D4, E1, E2, and E3, and F1 and F2. So we have these chromosome groups, groups A, B, C, D, E, and F, of different numbers of chromosomes, and then X and Y, they're the 2 sex chromosomes. X for female, Y for male. And so, just as a comparison, the Sandcat genome has been assembled. It is in a whole genome sequence format, but it is pristine. It has not yet been analyzed for its gene content. We don't know where the genes are. It is also 2.5 billion DNA letters long, just like the house cat genome, but there are 181 million variants, or 181 million positions between the house cat and the Sandcat, where there are differences in a DNA letter. That accounts for about a 7% difference. The house cat has 20,000 genes, similar to human, and about 250 heritable genetic disorders, similar to human illnesses. And so we may expect similar results in the Sandcat because, again, they're very similar related species. And so please like this video, and also if you want to see more videos about Sandcats, then please consider donating by clicking on the donation link below. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.